Has this ever happened to you? You walk on the job site or you get that phone call and say, we have a problem. All I can think about is, there goes the profit, and what did we do? I'll tell you the story in a second. I'm Ron Ramsden. I'm a DYB coach, also painting contractor up here in New England. I walked on the job site yesterday and they told me we have a problem. The customer says the electrical outlets aren't working in the master bathroom and in the master bedroom, and we're to blame. Little side note, the customer is a retired attorney, and this job has been on the books for about 3 months, and the schedule kept getting pushed off. She's also asked for extras, which we did, without a signed additional work order. So now I'm like, did we just give everything away for free? And I also thought instantly, what did we do? Who's to blame? And this could have just blown this job from a profit-making project to a now not making any money profit, and that I'm going to actually have to write a check. So instead of blowing up like I used to and getting aggravated, I kept calm and said, we'll talk about this tomorrow. What can we do now? So we decided that one of the guys was going to run back to the shop, get a tester, test out some of these plugs. He's kind of handy, and we could see if the GFI was working, and on and on and on. So we didn't do anything for the rest of the day about it. The guys continued painting this condo. I emailed the homeowner the next morning, which was this morning, and I said, you know, I understood her concern. I actually gave, the subject line was painting update and electrical issues. And I explained to her that we're going to be finishing up the project tomorrow. I've attached the invoice for final payment, and I understand we have an electrical issue, and this is what we can do for it. We will have a electrician, either my electrician or her electrician, come out and diagnose what's the problem. And if it's something that was related to taking on and off the receptacle covers and switch plate covers, we will be more than happy to take care of it. If it's something else, obviously it would fall under her hands. She responded back that she didn't think that was fair, that I should at least pay for something. Well, and then I had a conversation with her on the phone and said, well, if you go to someone's house and you flush their toilet and it leaks in the cellar, would you be responsible? Or is it just old pipes? And she understood. So we kept calm. We talked us through the whole situation. She talked to me. I talked to the crew leaders. We included them in. Years ago, I would have been off the wall. And the reason for this video is, before you react to something on the job, take a step back, go have a coffee, sleep on it, but realize at 3 o'clock in the morning when you woke up, you can't correct this problem. So think about it, walk yourself through it. I'm Ron Ramsden. I hope this helped, sharing my story with you of what just happened. Thank you. I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach. If you'd like to reach out to me, ron@dybcoach.com. Send me an email. I chat with people all the time. Also, find me on Facebook. I would love to talk. Thank you. Bye.